Yeah, this is a video of how to remove a broken wheel stud. You know, so grab a hammer and a chisel, then whack, hit it, as hard as you can. That one out. Now grab a new one. Then grab a oversized knot. Then put the normal lug nut on it. Then use your impact wrench to drag it in. That's it. That's how you do it. Yeah, I'm doing two on this one. So, same thing. Grab a bigger knot, put over it, then use the knot. Then use your impact just to drag it in. That's it. That's how you do it. Yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.